Hey guys, welcome back to Studio by the Tracks. Thanks for joining us today. We're back with our summer art series. I'm Miss Dani and I'm the Children's Program Director here at the studio. And I think you're really going to like today's activity because it lets you explore your creativity while connecting with nature. We are going to be making some mobiles, which are a sort of hanging sculpture, and we're going to be using nature objects that we find outside. Okay, let's talk about what we're going to need for today's project. We are going to need some thick twine, some thinner string or thread, a pair of scissors, beads, and a basket, which we'll use to collect some nature stuff from outside. All right, you guys ready to take a nature walk? Let's get our basket and we're gonna go outside and walk slowly while we keep our eyes peeled for any cool nature objects that we might wanna hang from our mobile. Let's go. Let's get some pine cones to hang down from our mobile. And I really like this vine. Ooh, what a pretty branch. Ooh, let's get some flowers. This larger branch might be nice to hang some smaller things down from. What else? Ooh, here's some leaves that might be pretty. And some flower blossoms that have fallen. Great, looks like we've got a lot to work with now. Let's go back inside and see what all we've found. I think we've got enough here to make 2 mobiles today at least. So I'm gonna start by breaking this larger branch in half, and I'm gonna tie these together in an X. And I'm just gonna use the twine and wrap it very tightly. Great, let's cut this piece of twine and I'll just tie it in a knot. Great, now we have a nice base that we can hang some smaller things down from. Now I want to add another piece of twine that we can use to hang the whole mobile from. So I'll just tie a knot on one end of one of the sticks, and I'll leave some slack in the twine and tie to the other end of the same stick. And just for reinforcements, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other stick. Now let's use another tiny piece of twine to tie these 2 strings together in the middle. Now let's think about what we want to hang from our mobile. I think I'd really like to use the pine cones on this one. With your thinner string, let's go ahead and tie a knot to the end of one of our sticks. Give yourself about an arm's length of string and cut the other end. And I have a nice assortment of beads here. Let's go ahead and add some beads to the smaller string that we have. Now that I have my beads on, I'm gonna tie the loose end of my string to the pine cone with a knot. And here you see that I've added a second string using the same process. Now I'm gonna make something that can hang down in the middle. I think I'm gonna use this teensy tiny pine cone that I found. So I'll tie the string to the pine cone first. And then I'm gonna add some of these clay beads that we have. Now I'm gonna add a leaf, and I'll use a stick to poke 2 holes into my leaf. And then I can thread my string into one of the holes and out the other one. Now I'm gonna tie a knot so that when I add a few more beads to my string, they won't fall down. Now I can tie the other end of this string to the center of my mobile. Let's see what else we can add onto our other stick. I'm gonna use my rosemary. I'll just tie it off, leave a little bit of space, and then tie my leaves. I'll make 2, one to attach to each side of this stick. Look how nice this turned out. Beautiful. Okay, we have plenty of materials left, so why don't we make a second mobile using this larger branch as our base. And I'll go ahead and tie this string off to each side of my branch, and that's how this mobile can hang. And what I'll do is break off a piece of this branch. So I'll use a string to tie one end off at the middle of the small branch, and the other end of the string I'll tie off to my larger branch. Now it can hang down below. Now I'm gonna use my string to tie these off to my smaller branch. And I'm gonna leave this knot kind of loose so that it can easily slide along this branch, because after I add some more materials to this small branch, I may need to balance out the weight a little bit by shifting along this small branch. I'm going to take some smaller pieces of this beautiful branch and add them. I have this hanging down. So I'll tie a knot to the branch and then tie the other end to this stick. Great. I'll use a few more pieces to tie up. I'm going to tie this part to the other end of my branch. And slide this one to the middle. Now, when we lift it up, we can see how everything's falling and see if we need to adjust anywhere. Yeah, now I'm going to add my flower by just tying a knot around the end, and I'll attach it to my small branch in the middle. I'm going to put one more of these on this side. Great, that's looking good. I was excited to find these at the studio. They are crystals like you would hang from a chandelier. And these are gonna look really nice, especially if we hang our mobile in a window, because when the sun shines on them, they refract the light and they throw tiny rainbows of light into your room. So I'm gonna add these to some string and hang them from our mobile. Do one more. And I'll do a third one. Great, and when we hold it up, we can see how everything falls. And if you need to, you can slide some of these strings up and down the stick to make it balance out a little better. Now let's hang them up and see how they look. These have turned out so amazing. And I can't wait to see how yours have turned out. We hope you're having fun with our summer art series. And on behalf of our artists and our staff, we appreciate your support so much. Don't forget you can stay up to date with what's going on at the studio on our Facebook and Instagram pages. And you can shop art and merch designed by Studio by the Tracks artists anytime at studiobythetracks.org. We'll see you soon.